How to add polls on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can add poll on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a poll on Messenger, open the Messenger application and then open a certain group chat. Now you will not be able to create a poll on an individual chat but only on your group chat. So for this, just tap the three lines option from the top left and go to a certain group that you might be a part of here and go to a certain group chat here. Now once you've done that, and if you would like to create a poll, if you look at the bottom here, you'll find a little plus icon where if you tap on it, you'll find one more option there known as polls. So you can just tap the polls option here, and then right here you can just go ahead and enter the question, and now you can go ahead and then add an answer, second another one, and then add answer as well, and you should be able to tap the create poll option in order to finish creating this poll. This way you can add poll on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.